Alright, August 11th, 2022. And what we have here is a cicada that has just crawled out of the ground. It hasn't hatched out with its wings yet. I can get it to move a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Shifting to its side a little bit. Alright, we're going to shed some light on it. Never seen one of these actually still in their skin. Alright. And right here we have one that is hatched out, but hadn't decided to start flying around yet. It was actually on the ground. I put it right there so we can see it better. Here's our little hatchling crawling. Alright, never seen it before. Figured you might see it, so there we go.